Hi, it's Ray, and today's honey bottling day. One of the most relaxing things that I think I enjoy about beekeeping is honey bottling day. So if you'd like to join me, let's bottle some honey together. Here's my setup that I use for honey bottling. I have a Hilco honey bottler. I've gone ahead and plugged it in, and I usually set it at 100, 101. I think it's 104 right now. Usually set it just above 100 degrees. That's the temperature of the water jacket on the outside. Honestly, because it's 85 degrees in my shop, my honey's already pretty warm. I'll put the honey in there, but I'm not going to wait really until all the honey gets up to 100 degrees before I start bottling. And I really like this new metal bottling arm here. The previous one was plastic. This one is metal. Like it a lot better. What I do is I just have an extra hive stand that I use, and I just set it there, and it's the perfect height. So I'm going to get some bottles together and let's start bottling some honey. My first set of jars already. That's important to bottling honey. It makes everything go a lot better, smoother. Let's bottle some honey. Hi, this is Ray. When you hit like, subscribe, or leave a comment, it really helps me to build my channel. So thank you so much.